Deep within the heart of a modern smart factory, we witness the beginning of a transformation where mountains of discarded coffee grounds find a new purpose. Every year, millions of tons of this organic waste are cast aside. But here, the journey of rebirth starts by awakening the hidden potential of coffee. Up close, these tiny grains hold the secrets of durability and aesthetics, waiting to be unlocked through a sophisticated process of high-tech chemical engineering. Automated precision leads the way as heavy robotic systems begin the harvest, moving the raw material into the next stage of its high-tech evolution. The material travels through a landscape of mist and shadow, entering the purification zone where it will be stripped of impurities and refined for excellence. We are stepping into a world where nature meets advanced technology, turning what was once considered mere waste into a premium resource for global design. The purification begins as the grounds are submerged in a powerful vortex, washing away every impurity to reveal the pure essence of the coffee fibers. This hydraulic cleaning stage ensures that only the highest quality organic material moves forward, maintaining the integrity of the final high-end bioplastic furniture pieces. Centrifugal forces take over, spinning at incredible speeds to separate water and residual oils from the coffee solids with unmatched industrial efficiency and power. Every drop of moisture is extracted, leaving behind only the pure, concentrated cellulose fibers that will provide the structural strength for our innovative interior products. Byproducts like coffee oils are carefully extracted and repurposed, ensuring a zero-waste cycle that honors the principles of a truly sustainable circular economy today. The fibers are flash-dried in a chamber of heat, creating a fine aromatic powder that is now ready to be fused with cutting-edge polymer technology. Phase 1 is complete. What started as damp waste is now a refined, high-purity organic powder, the foundation of our revolutionary bioplastic material blend. Enter the synthesis phase, where pure plant-based bioplastic pellets are introduced, acting as the sustainable bonding agent for our refined coffee fiber particles. These two worlds collide in a perfect ratio, blending the organic warmth of coffee with the advanced performance of eco-friendly, plant-derived polymer science. Precision is paramount here in the control center, as liquid organic catalysts are added to ensure a perfect molecular bond between the two distinct materials. Every drop is measured by sensors to maintain consistency, ensuring that every batch of material meets the rigorous standards required for high-end interior furniture. And the screw mixer turns with rhythmic power, kneading the ingredients into a thick, homogeneous paste that glows with a deep and luxurious chocolate-colored sheen. This molten material is now a hybrid of nature and science, possessing the beauty of organic matter and the industrial strength of modern composite materials. In this sterile, high-tech environment, we are redefining what plastic can be, moving away from fossils and toward a future fueled by renewable plant resources. The synthesis is complete. This flowing biocomposite is now ready to be molded into shapes that will soon define the aesthetics of a modern home. Now, the heat and pressure take center stage as the molten coffee composite is injected into precision-engineered steel molds under intense industrial conditions. The material flows into every intricate detail of the mold, ensuring that even the most complex design features are captured with absolute fidelity and strength. With 500 tons of force, the hydraulic press descends, crushing any imperfections and forging a structural density that rivals the strongest traditional hardwoods. This is where durability is born. Under extreme pressure and 200 degrees Celsius, the molecular structure of the coffee plastic becomes incredibly resilient. The molds themselves are masterpieces of engineering, designed to impart a sophisticated texture and perfect ergonomic form to every single piece of furniture produced. Instant cooling with liquid nitrogen stabilizes the material, locking in the shape and preventing any warping, ensuring that every curve remains true to the design. As the mist clears and the mold opens, the first glimpse of the reborn material appears, solid and magnificent, carrying the soul of the coffee. This part is now a testament to the power of upcycling, a perfect blend of high-end manufacturing and environmental responsibility, ready for the final touch. Robotic precision takes over the handling, moving the freshly molded components with a grace that belies the industrial strength of the manufacturing environment. Look closely at the surface. The organic origin is visible in the subtle specks of coffee, creating a unique, natural aesthetic that no synthetic plastic can replicate. A high-powered laser trims the edges with a precision of 0.01 millimeters, ensuring that every joint and connection point is absolutely flawless. Digital accuracy meets physical form as the robotic systems follow complex paths to finalize the shape with a level of detail that is simply breathtaking. The final texture is achieved through automated polishing, creating a sophisticated matte finish that feels warm to the touch and exudes a sense of quiet luxury. Even the finishing process is designed to be clean, capturing every particle to maintain the high standards of our eco-friendly and smart production facility. Each component is a work of art, possessing a deep and earthy tone that complements modern interior design while telling a story of environmental salvation. This is the pinnacle of the fourth industrial revolution, where technology serves the planet by creating beautiful, lasting objects from the things we once threw away. Human expertise provides the final seal of approval as our technicians carefully inspect every inch for perfection under the watchful eyes of high-intensity lights. The touch test ensures that the tactile experience of the furniture is just as premium as its visual appeal, guaranteeing comfort and quality for the user. Durability testing pushes the material to its limits, proving that this biocomposite can withstand the rigors of daily life while maintaining its elegant form and structural integrity. Every piece is certified to meet international standards for strength and safety, ensuring that sustainability never comes at the cost of performance or longevity. The final mark of quality is engraved into the material, a signature of excellence that represents our commitment to a greener and more beautiful future. Assembly is seamless thanks to the high-precision molding and laser cutting that allow every part to fit together with the satisfying click of perfection. The final product stands ready, a masterpiece of Nordic design that hides its humble origins behind a facade of pure, modern, and high-end sophistication. This is furniture with a soul, a physical manifestation of the circular economy where style and substance coexist in perfect harmony for the modern home. From the coffee shop to the factory and now to the world, these pieces are ready to transform living spaces into sanctuaries of sustainable luxury. Imagine a home where luxury and ethics are one. In this high-end penthouse, our coffee-based furniture finds its true home amidst the golden light of sunset. The deep, most earthy tones of the material blend effortlessly with the sophisticated interior, rivaling the beauty of exotic woods while protecting the forests they replace. Every curve tells a story of innovation, a tactile reminder that the items we use every day can be both beautiful and beneficial to our planet. There is a poetic irony as a fresh cup of coffee is placed upon a table made from its own remains, closing the loop of life beautifully. This is the future of living, where the waste of yesterday becomes the heritage of tomorrow, creating a legacy of green design for generations to come. Our journey from the bean to the bench shows that with the right technology and vision, we can rebuild our world, one coffee ground at a time. Join us in this revolution of sustainable elegance. Choose a future where luxury doesn't cost the earth. From coffee grounds to world-class interior design.